you know, where we've created our agents, and we're going to start chatting with it as well right away. So we have a knowledge-based agent can answer knowledges, a card block agent that blocks the card, a card balance agent can retrieve my balance. So you just kind of, set them up, give them access to the relevant tool, and you are good to go. So it's actually quite quick and efficient. Um, let's go ahead. I'm just going to also bring up my phone on the right because it is going to send me, a couple of messages. So I just want to ensure that you guys can see everything that's happening. Okay, let's start chatting with her. So hi.
So I'm going to bear in mind that the current interface
Yes.
is just the backend, right? You can make this any color, any look and feel.
Yeah. Particularly, like, it'll be embedded on a website like this.
Okay.
So you throw in a bunch of JavaScript. Ideally, all your agentic implementation should be you throw in a bunch of JavaScript in your website. You have an AI agent that looks like this, embeddable. You can talk to on voice, and then you can also interact on text.
Okay.
That's how you should probably look at when you're looking at agentic AI. Coming back to my screen, so I've just said hi to her and say, okay, I want my credit card balance. So it's gone to the router agent. Router agent, the main orchestrator saying, oh, okay, to authentication, we will need the TRN so that we can proceed. So, okay, my TRN is, throw it in there. And now it's sent it to the auth agent, right? So this is where the beauty is. And if you notice, as soon as the authenticator agent kicked in, it fired a request to the validate TOTP SMS tool that sent all my details, and I instantly got an SMS. So these aren't just AIs that can, go ahead and, these aren't just AIs that can go ahead and, think through or work together, but they actually can execute real-time activities.
So for our audience, I mean, the TOTP is like a one-time password, right?
Correct.
That got generated, so it's authenticating you from your cell phone.
Correct.
Right.
Right. So if I'm calling in or I'm chatting just from any platform,
Yeah.
it needs to do at least one level of auth, and that's also something you should look at when you're building your agentic AI systems, right? Auth is the rock bed of what you're going to build. So you definitely need to ensure that users are authenticated at least through 2 points of verification when you're bringing them in for these kind of activities so that it's secure. I know fraud is a big matter. So just to ensure that the fraud rates actually go down when you're using a technology like this. Now it's asking me for last 4 digits. Last 4 digits are 4. And then it's gone to the card balance agent now. And there you go. So the card balance agent is gone ahead. It's given me my balance is $1,200. It should have been higher, but that's what the world is today. But no, jokes apart, it's actually gone ahead and kind of given the entire card balance, call the card balance tool, pass my TRN, pass my details, it knows I'm authenticated, and then it's got my actual balance in. So I need to be working a little harder so that this, or shopping a little more. One of the two. Either way, so, kind of wanted to showcase how it's so easy and fast to set these up because let's say tomorrow I have a particular tool. If let's say tomorrow a new tool comes in, right?
Okay.
I have the option of saying, okay, if it's like card related, I could even sync it and add it to this tool itself. Saying, okay, this one can do card balance and card, something else. I can just create a new agent and then make it available for the relevant tools that it needs at that